afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, ma'am. Hi, I'm Yaiphaba Namoijam. I'm from Manipur. Currently, I'm pursuing computer science engineering in Acharya Institute of Technology. Before this course, I had only basic knowledge of computer networks. These programs help me clearly understand core networking concepts like protocols, packet flow, and real-time traffic analysis using Wireshark. I think this course content was well structured and the practical approach made complex topics much easier to understand, to learn. I think this course has increased my confidence in networking and analysis and other basic things also. I would definitely recommend this course to other students also, because if they want to create strong fundamentals and practical exposure, it definitely can gain a lot of knowledge from here. Me, I gain a lot of knowledge from here and to understand very properly. So it's good, and it's definitely was good for me because I gain a lot of knowledge, a lot of things, and a lot of other things also. This is my great opportunity for my life. That's a nice thing, and thank you for this, having such this experience, for having this course in our college also. Thank you so much.